Hey guys, this is Norman over with SoundTraxx here, and today we're going to talk about directional lighting with our Blunami decoders. So let's get started. Here in front of me I have an Amtrak P42 which is fitted with a Blunami decoder. Now previously we've discussed how to set any light to be directional with a Tsunami 2 decoder, and you can find that video linked up here. But the procedure is a little bit different with a Blunami decoder. Because we have the app, we no longer need to calculate values for CVs 57 and 58 the way we would on Tsunami 2. So, on this P42 here, we have ditch lights. And you will see that if I throw the locomotive into reverse, the headlight extinguishes by default, however the ditch lights do not. So, we're going to set these up to be directional. And to do that, we're going to click on this little cog here, and we're going to go over to light settings. Now, on this model, we have our ditch lights wired up to the FX3 and the FX4 output. So, we're going to want to go to the FX3 first, and we're going to want to disable the reverse directional control. What that will do is that will cause FX3 to turn off whenever the locomotive is in reverse. Now, we're simply going to do the same thing for FX4. And if I come back to the throttle screen and I switch the direction a few times, you will see that now the ditch lights are directional just like the headlight is. If you have any further questions, be sure to reach out to us at support@soundtraxx.com. That's going to be all for this video. Thanks for watching.